Om Shri Sai Ram, offering myself at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Swami. Sai Ram. Happy and holy Guru Purnima wishes to everyone. We have often heard of this quote, He knows, He cares, He loves, He is omnipresent. Having born in a Vaishnavite family, I had not heard much about Swami till my year 11. In my year 11, one of my classmates, who happened to be a Balvika student as well, introduced Swami, and I joined Balvikas with her. And in my year 12, I went to Prashanti for 15 days of service as a pre-Sevadal. And at the end of 15 days of service, Swami usually gives Pad Namaskar in those days. So we all went to Vrindavan after finishing our 15 days of service for Swami's darshan and Pad Namaskar. And I had a list in my hand with a few things written to ask Swami. But when Swami came and stood in front of me and I couldn't ask him anything, all I knew was I was shedding tears looking at him. And Swami kept his hand on me and said, on my head, and said, Bangaru, I will take care. When I came back from Prashanti service, I remember telling my parents that I will not study anywhere else apart from Swami's college. And with Swami's grace, I joined Anantapur campus in the year 1997. Fast forward 3 beautiful years. In the year 2000, after I graduated, due to the pressure from family, I joined Chartered Accountancy. When we got a call from our principal saying all the students who had graduated in the year 2000 can come for summer course, I told my parents and my auditor under whom I was practicing that I will go and ask Swami and I will do whatever he commands me to do. And if it is anything apart from Chartered Accountancy, then it is a goodbye for CA. 15 beautiful days of summer course. During the summer course, Swami asked us who all want to join the upcoming super speciality hospital in Vrindavan. So many of us wanted to join, so we all gave our names. And after a few filtering process, a few of us were still remaining who were wanting to join Swami's hospital. And we were told that Swami will talk to us on May 30th, briefing us about how it will be and what will it be and things. May 30th, morning darshan, evening darshan, Swami didn't speak to us. And I had my return ticket booked for my hometown. So I postponed it to May 31st and Swami didn't speak to us on May 31st, morning darshan, evening darshan. So I had to go back on the 31st. And I told my principal that I will definitely want to join Swami's hospital, so please help me, but I will not be able to stay back anymore beyond this. And so I left on May 31st, and on June 1st, 2000, Swami spoke to all those who had given names to join Swami's hospital. He spoke to them on the beautiful lawns of Vrindavan. He gave them mangoes. And when I heard about this, I was sad. But when I called my principal and asked her what happened and will I still be joining the hospital, she said when Swami was dividing who will join nursing and who will join administration, Swami said these 2 girls who have gone, who couldn't stay back, will remain in nursing. They need not go to administration. And there he knows. And beautiful 7 years with Swami's grace, I could work in the hospital. Swami inaugurated a running hospital in Whitefield. So on Jan 19th, we had patients in the ICU because we had started the operations on Jan 15th. A couple of days before the inauguration, Swami was distributing saris to all the staff and students who were there. And I was in the ICU taking care of an infected patient in isolation. One of the doctors came and told me, if you want to go and join there, if you want to take a sari from Swami's hand and you want to join there, you can go, we will replace you with someone. Then I told that doctor saying, no, if I leave my duty and go there, Swami will not be happy, and I want to do what will make Swami happy. So I stay back. After my shift finished, I went to my nursing superintendent and I told her that I couldn't join the darshan and I didn't receive the sari. And she brings me the sari from inside and she told me that Swami had given this sari to her, saying this girl who is in the ICU, she's taking care of an infected patient. So give her when she finishes her shift. So I received that sari and I knew that you do your duty and Swami is omnipresent, he is watching you. These incidences show us that Swami is omnipresent and he knows, he listens to every prayer of ours and he cares. Thank you so much for this opportunity once again. Thanks for listening. Sai Ram.